Welcome back, my beautiful people, to another hair install. Yes, we are doing knotless braids once again. However, this time we are installing them a little bit smaller. This is the smallest I have ever installed them on myself, and I'm pretty excited. And the reason why I'm doing them this small is because I got vacation coming up. I want these braids to at least last all of the pool swimming, the ocean dip diving, you know, all that, right? All the fun, the sweating, the running around. I want to be carefree on my vacation. So we're not doing a boho because I don't have time to be worried about curls and frizziness, because more than likely it will be thrown up into a ball in a bun on top of my head. If I'm being for real, we're being realistic. I don't want to have to deal with all that hair, human hair at all. If I want to deal with human hair, I will go on vacation with my natural hair. We don't want those worries. So we're doing some regular Zegler knotless braids. And you already know the drill. If you are new here, welcome. We would love to have you. Hit that subscribe button, babe. And to all of my returning, hey, my love, hey, beautiful. Hope your new year is still going great and well. We are speaking nothing but positivity in this year, 2024. We're going to leave that ghetto ass year back where it was. Now let's go ahead and jump straight into this tutorial. So let's go ahead and hit that supply list real quick. You're going to need some braiding hair. I purchased 3 packs of braiding hair, and my braiding hair had 4 bundles in the pack. I did not use up all that hair, but I always want to have more. They have to run back at the last section of hair because I ran out. So make sure you have plenty of braiding hair. Get you some good braiding gel. My favorite is the Shine and Jam braiding gel, something that has been around since I was walking around in diapers. So it ain't broke. I ain't gonna fix it. Now there are plenty of other hair gels out there that I have tried, but Shine and Jam has always been my tried and true. She ain't never did me dirty, so I'm gonna stick beside her. Finally, you are going to need a parting comb and some hair clips. The hair clips are going to help you keep your hair up out the way while you're trying to braid. I have so many different varieties of hair clips, from banana clips to claw clips to alligator clips to metal clips. Any kind of clip, you name it, I probably have it, tried it, and used it. Now for my parting comb, I purchased that off of Amazon because I can never seem to find the one I'm looking for at my beauty supply store. I don't know if people just be buying it up or they always out of stock. But either way, everything on my supply list will be listed down below in my description box. So let's go ahead and get into the technique of me installing these knotless braids. So as you can see, I parted my small section. I applied a small amount of gel to the base of, or the root of, my hair, not on the scalp. And this just helps me with holding the hair together as I am installing my braiding hair, feeding in my braiding hair. I go in with a very small piece. One piece goes over the index finger. The other side goes in between the index finger and the thumb, and I just continue braiding as regular. I'm going to do that 3 times for each rotation, and then I'm going to braid it down probably about an inch more before I add in 2 to 3 more pieces of braiding hair, depending on the thickness and the length of where I am on my hair. I try to keep it as natural as possible. So since my edges are a little bit thinner, I don't tend to add as much braiding hair as I would for my hair that's in the middle of my hair, which is the thickest. So what this means is that not every braid is going to be the same size and the same length as all the other braiding hair. Again, I'm following the natural pattern of my hair. If certain pieces are thinner and shorter, I tend to kind of keep the braid the same way. I don't want my edges that are already fine and frail to hold 8 strands of hair and cause excessive tension if it's not necessary. So my edges may have anywhere from 3 to 4 pieces of braiding hair, while the center of my hair will have anywhere from 8 to 9 pieces of braiding hair. It really all depends on the thickness that you prefer your braids. This is the end of the first day, and I have the front half of my hair completely done, and I am tired, y'all, but I'm going to go ahead and dip my ends in hot water because I don't want them to unravel prematurely. I did tie the ends, but I only knotted it once because I did not feel like doing it no 2-3 times, especially when I knew I was going to dip the ends in hot water anyway to help seal the braids to keep them from unraveling. Day 2, I have finished the third section and I am dog ass tired. I got up early because I did not want to be up all night still braiding my hair. I did do the sections in the back a little bit bigger than what is in the front. I am dipping each section that I finished to keep any braids from unraveling while I'm trying to finish up the next section because I am taking my sweet ass time to complete this look. The very last braid, I am almost done. This is a day and a half worth of me braiding my entire head. So I am hoping this style lasts me for at least 4 weeks.
So I almost forgot to come back and record the end results. Had them in for a week now, and they're holding up pretty good. I really do love like that I did them really small. Knotless braids do not have the best longevity. Length is not too long, so it's not super heavy at all. So when I go to shower, I'm not fighting to bunch up 15 pounds of braids on top of my hair. I received some new oil from Black Seed Lady. I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp because I have not oiled it. Oh God, it feels so good. I'm going straight down the middle, just to bring it around. Oh God.
All right, my beautiful people, that is going to end this video. I'm just showing you the back and everything, what it looks like after oiling my scalp and styling it into a half up, half down. I greatly appreciate y'all joining us on another video. We will see y'all on the next one. Be blessed and be safe.